Hey guys, so this is an unboxing video for the Harbor Breeze Twin Breeze 2 fan. It's the dual fan I got during what's this called again? Amazon Prime Day. This is usually like around 250 bucks. I got it on Prime Day for $149. Thought it was a good deal. So I've been wanting one of these for a while, and I didn't want to spend the money, but I thought $149 was a fair price, being that a regular fan is usually anywhere from $80 to $199. So you're not supposed to use a blade here, so I'm just gonna put my finger there so that it doesn't go in too much. It'll just cut the tape. It's a little trick. It won't scratch anything. So being that it's two fans, I'm assuming that it's going to require more than the usual ceiling fan assembly instructions. It's pretty much setting up two separate fans connected by a rod. But everything looks like it's packaged nicely. Let's see here, we have one motor. Actually no, this is the light unit where the lights go in the center. Yeah, you can tell it's got two motors there. So the light fixture is here. This is the base if you don't want the lights. It's got plenty of those. It's got three. Yep. It's very nicely packaged. Everything is in this place. It's actually pretty nice because you can get to keep this whole unit, and everything's gonna be in place. Regular fans, everything, it's just there when you open it. There's really not a spot for everything. So this is pretty nice packaging. I'm gonna pause and take this first layer out and see what we find underneath. Alright, so I took the top layer out, and actually I'm kind of happy that this is already pre-assembled. I thought I was gonna have to put all these together. So like I said, it's dual motor, so that's motor number one. Motor number two. One of the things that I was trying to figure out, just because of where I'm going to be putting it, I'm going to be putting it up there on the outside, and the sitting area, it's not underneath, it's actually back there. So I wanted to take these and kind of rotate them a little bit so it pushes the air like diagonally downwards instead of just downwards. I couldn't find any info online to see if it was if it would do that or not. So I kind of took a gamble. I mean, I guess I could always return it and find out, but if it doesn't work out. But I kind of like it. I kind of want to keep it. Well, it's just pretty sturdy. It's heavy. It seems like it's solid construction. These are all the attachments, and let's see, we have screws and the electrical caps. We have more covers. And then some of these fans, if you don't want to install the lights, they have covers in lieu of the lights. But everything seems to be nicely packaged. Let's see, does it come with light bulbs? Oh, look at that, it comes with light bulbs. Very nice. Very nice. I just bought a couple of other fans that didn't come with light bulbs, and that was a pain in the ass. Realizing that after we bought them, so I had to go back to the store. So yeah, it's pretty well packaged. It seems like the installation or the setup instructions are not going to be as bad. When I saw all of that separated there, I thought this part of the fan was going to be also unassembled. But I'm kind of glad that it's pretty much ready to go. So the fan does turn sideways like this. I hope there's some sort of a button here. Well, there is a screw there where I'll be able to tilt this that way, and if that's the case, this would be magical. Because there's a level here. Let's just open this up. Hold up. Alright, so I removed the screw that was here, and it looks like, there we go, there's a hole there for the screw to go into. If I turn this, let's see here, let me try to turn it. I just turned it a little bit, and then that screw is gone. So I don't think this is meant to tilt the way I want it to, but I haven't turned it all the way, so I'm gonna play around with it and see if it's, maybe there's like another setting, another hole for the screw to go into, maybe at a 45-degree angle. So I'm gonna stop here for a second and I'm gonna give that a try. So there is no other hole there but that one, so I'm a little bummed out, and like I said, I'm still gonna give it a try. The screw will still go on. Like, let me turn it a little bit so you guys could see. Alright, so I turned it there a little bit, and yeah, there's no way for the screw to go in there. So unfortunately, you can't tilt it sideways. I'm sure there's a way for me to be able to do it. When I figure it out, I'll go ahead and I'll post that video so that you guys could have more than one direction to push the air. I mean, this is pretty self-explanatory. This one moves maybe a good 20. That's what, I mean, oh, you can loosen this up and move it more if you want. Let's see. Yeah, that's a generous, maybe that, what, 15 degrees? That's enough movement. But I definitely want it like that. So I'll figure out a way to do it. Maybe I'll drill a little hole in there to put the screw into and just keep the stability in it. It's a small enough hole that I could drill a hole just to put it there. But anyways, this was the unboxing of this fan. Again, it's very nicely packaged. Everything, it's where it's supposed to be. I feel like this is one of the best packagings I've seen for a fan. I'm pretty excited to finally set it up. I'll post a video or some pictures afterwards of what this looks like assembled, and if I get it to set it up the way I want it to, even better. If not, I think it's still going to be a good fan to have outside. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Again, this was the unboxing of the Twin Breeze 2 from Harbor Breeze. Nice looking fan at a decent price. I think for something that's going to get beat up outside, I shouldn't have to spend so much money, especially when it's just going to be gathering air and humidity. I don't want to spend $500, $600, $700. So again, nicely packaged. Everything looks like it's got a place. It's going to be easy installation. So I'll keep you guys posted. Bye.